How to copy message in WhatsApp web. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get started with this easy tutorial. Starting off, you need to launch a browser and search for WhatsApp web. Tap on the suggestion that is web WhatsApp. If you have not logged in into your account, you need to log in to your WhatsApp using the QR code displayed on your PC and through your WhatsApp application in your mobile device. Once you are logged in, you will find an interface like this. Select a conversation that you want to copy. Now, if you tap on the drop icon, you will see that there is no copy option, rather edit. You can also copy the text from here. If not, the copy part is very easy. Do not right-click on it because there is no such option as copy through here. Just all you have to do is move the cursor to the text, then tap on Ctrl+C on your keyboard, then Ctrl+V, and there you have it. Your text has been copied. Let's do with another example. Right here, I'm just typing in "What's up?" Now just copy like any text that you copy in other website, then Ctrl+C, then Ctrl+V, and there you go. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.